Welcome to the channel. This is HP Smart Tank 580 wireless all-in-one high-capacity ink tank printer. In this video, we will do the unboxing and show you how to set up. Let's get started. This is what the package looks like, and it is mentioned here that it can print up to 12,000 black pages and 6,000 color pages using the ink provided in the box. On this side, we can see the key specifications. Now let us unbox the printer. When we open it, we get this box. It will have all the accessories. Let me keep it aside for now. Next, we have the printer here. We can easily take it out like this by using the package. This is accessories box. Let me open it. First, we have this power cord. And then we have this USB cable for connecting the laptop or PC to the printer. Next, we get two print heads, one for color and another for black. We need to install them. Here we have two black color and three different color ink bottles. Now let us have a closer look at HP Smart Tank 580 all-in-one printer. This is the reference guide which explains how to use and how to do initial setup. Let me follow the instructions mentioned in this manual. To begin with, remove these blue stickers. It is there in several places. Coming to the physical overview, we get a port for a data cable in the back, and here you need to connect the power cord. Here is the paper tray which you can extend. It can hold up to 100 papers and has a paper size marking on it. Here is the output tray which can hold up to 30 papers. This is the smart guided backlit buttons. Now let us set up the printer. So first let me connect the power cable to the printer. Now power on the printer. It will take a while to display to start showing up. If it is not showing even after a few seconds, the printer may be defective. So you need to replace it. The Wi-Fi light is started blinking, meaning it is not connected and searching. Now the display is showing KCMY and it is blinking. This indicates that ink tank is empty. So we must fill them. To fill the ink, open this front cover like this. Here is the tank with color coding on top of it. So here we need to fill in black, here cyan, and here magenta, and here yellow. Now switch off the printer. Now take the ink bottles provided in the box. First let me take the black one. The model number of this one is GT53XL. Next, remove the cap of this bottle. The advantage of this ink bottle is it is spill proof. So even if you do like this, not even a single drop falls out. Now remove the black cap like this. Place it here and press it. As you can see, ink started filling. Wait for the ink to fill the tank. You can see the ink level here. Now it is completed. So let me remove it. In the bottle, some ink is left, which you can use to refill for the future. You need to be careful and fill the right colors. Otherwise, printer may stop working correctly. Next, let us fill this color. It is a spill-proof refill, so it is effortless and hassle-free. As you can see, ink is filling. In this bottle, nothing is left and everything is used. Similarly, fill other tanks with respective colors. Once you finish loading the ink, close this door. Power on the printer and wait for approximately 15 seconds for the system to detect it. Now the display is showing print head blinking. So we need to install them. For that, open the store. This cartridge system should come to the center. If it is not in the center, close the door and open it again after 15 seconds. Now we have a guard here. We need to remove it. First, remove this orange strip. Next, to remove this orange guard, push it downward like this and pull this out. As you can see, we have color and black markings here. Now we need to install the print head here. Let us begin with installing the color head. Tape is added here. Take it out so that the print circuit is visible. At the top, you will see this rubber covering. Pull is written on it. Pull it. Now hold this print head like this. The circuit part is facing inside. Place it like this in the color head section. Push it inside. You will hear a click sound. Do it carefully. Similarly, take the black print head and fix it here. Once both print heads are installed, pull this blue latch down so that it locks. It secures the print head. Now close this cover. As you can see in the display, now it is asking us to keep the paper in the input tray. So let me place a A4 sheet in the input tray. Adjust this paper guide to place the sheet. Adjust this output tray. Now press this green lit down arrow button. It started printing the first page. It is an alignment page. Next, we need to scan this page. So open the lid. Now place this alignment paper here. The left corner of the printed page should be placed near this arrow mark. Close this lid. The display will show A and the scanning icon is blinking. Press it. Now it started scanning. If any alignment adjustment is needed, it will do. Once done, flashing A will go from the display and the number will start showing up. All the manual setup is complete and your printer is ready to use. You can remove the alignment sheet from the scanner bed. This is called Smart Guided Backlit Buttons because it will guide you while you are doing any activity. For example, let me place this paper in the scanning area. As you can see, these three buttons lit up. It is guiding me. Pressing this button will take the color copy and pressing this button will take black and white copy. If you want to do ID card copy, press this button. Let me press this color copy button. Now it is printing copy document. Let us compare the original and copy. This is the original and this is the copy. The print quality looks good. The difference visible is due to the paper quality. Next, let us configure Wi-Fi and mobile app. To begin with, get the HP Smart app on your Android phone. You can get it by scanning this QR code or searching the Play Store. Once you install HP Smart app, launch it. Here, tap Accept. You can allow notifications here. On this page, tap Set up a new printer. Next, choose Wi-Fi and continue. Here, continue. Allow this access. Tap OK. For device location, you can choose while using the app. On this page, it will show your printer SmartTank 580. Tap on it. Enter your Wi-Fi password and then continue. It shows printer found, preparing the printer and obtaining IP address. This pop-up will prompt you to press the information button on the printer. So, press the I on the printer. Wait till it finishes the setup. To print from your mobile, you need to install HP Print Service plugin. Now it is connected to the Wi-Fi. Tap Continue. On this app, you can do a lot of things. Let us print this photo and see the quality. This is an ordinary paper. Still, you can notice the print quality. If you take this printout on a photo paper, it will look more beautiful. This printer can print up to 12 black and 5 color pages per minute. If you are printing in the draft, it can print up to 12 black pages per minute. It is a low maintenance printer. The cost per page print is around 20 paisa. It has 1 year warranty and 1 year extended warranty. The price of this all-in-one printer is INR 18,840. If you are looking for a good all-in-one printer with low printing cost and fine output, then you can consider this printer. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you find this video informative.